Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the first teaching video and today we will learn how to print or display a message on the screen. For now, I don't want from you to understand the syntax, I just want from you to memorize them. Later on, I will explain all the components of the syntax, okay? So let's start. Usually in Java, we establish a class to do something inside it, okay? So public class. And we want to name the class. The name of the class should be as the file name, okay? Lesson 1. Open brackets. Just memorize the syntax as I said. And imagine that the class is a container and this container has a main inside it. This main is responsible for printing on the screen, okay? So to do the main, we should write public static void main deal string. Okay, sorry, and open another brackets. This is the syntax to establish a main inside the class. In Java, if we want to display a statement on the screen, we have to write this syntax system.out. And in this case, we have two choices. If we want to display the sentence on a line and directly go to another line, we should use print len. Or we want to stay on the same line, we should remove len. Okay, for now I will use len. So len is the responsible to going to another line. Okay, we will open parentheses and quotations. It's necessary to do that. Then write whatever you want. This is the first, for example, this is the first teaching video. Okay, and it's necessary to end the line by a semicolon. It will not run the program without the semicolon. Okay, and now we want to display this sentence this sentence on the screen. Let's clear that. Just type clear here. Okay, from here we run our program, or from here, okay, run Java, and it is displayed on the screen. Let's take another example. If you want to make the sentences on the same line, okay, system. Okay, I will try to not lose time. Okay, open parentheses, quotations, sorry. Let's say this is Java, okay, without len, as we said, to stay on the same line, and system. Okay, I will not lose time. Okay, the end. And because of this, it should stay on the same line. Okay, so we expect to have this is Java point, the end point on the same line. Okay, yes, and it's displayed. The last point that I will talk about is how to print an empty line on the screen. Okay, we'll use the same syntax system.out.println. We use len to display a line and put parentheses and nothing inside the parentheses, and put semicolon just to modify this. Okay, so this syntax is just telling Java that please print an empty line. Okay, to make sure we will print something after it. Okay, as we said, we use quotations to print a message. This is the last point. Okay, don't forget the semicolon and run our program as we expect. This is Java, the end, an empty line, and this is the last point. Please don't forget the like and the follow, and be prepared for the next video. It's the second teaching video. It's about how to print numbers on the screen.